the topic dehumidification and air conditioning. So our first problem. A coil cools to 0.5 kilograms per second of dry air from 30 degrees to 12 degrees Celsius. The inlet humidity ratio is 0.015 kilograms vapor per kilograms of dry air, and outlet is 0.085 kilograms vapor per kilogram of air. Find the total heat removal capacity, which we have the constant value, which is the Cp of air, 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, and Cp of vapor, which is 1.88 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, and latent heat, HFG, which is 2,501 kilojoules per kilogram. And we have the given of 0.5 kilograms per second, T1, which is 30 degrees Celsius, T2, which is 12 degrees Celsius, and humidity ratio for the point 1 is 0.015 vapor per kilogram per air, and we have humidity ratio of point 2, which is 0.085 kilograms vapor per kilogram air. So we need to find the humidity capacity, which is QT. So the following formula we'll be using first to get enthalpy is Cpa times T plus your humidity ratio times HFG plus Cp of the vapor times your temperature. So for enthalpy 1, we only need to plug in the values. We have the Cp, which is 1.006 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, times 30, which is the state 1, 30 degrees Celsius, plus 273, since the value is in Kelvin. We need to have absolute value, plus the humidity ratio, which is 0.015 kilograms vapor per kilogram air, times the HFG, 2,501 kilojoules over kilogram vapor, and we have plus 1. The Cp of the vapor, which is 1.28 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin, times the temperature in the state 1, which is 30 degrees. We need to make it to absolute value, so we need to add 273. So multiply them all, we have the value of 68.54 kilojoules per kilogram. Next, for H2, same value. We need to plug in all the values at point 2. So we have 1.06 kilojoules per kilogram. Then 12, since point 2, the temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. And we have the humidity ratio at point 2, which is 0.085 times 2000 HFG, the value. Then the Cp of the vapor, which is 1.88, times the temperature at point 2, which is 12 plus 470 degrees. We need to make it to absolute temperature. So multiply them all, you have 33.52 kilojoules per kilogram. Next, to find the total capacity of the heat removal, this formula, which is the mass flow rate of the air times H1 plus H2. Since we have the value of H1 and H2, we need to plug it in all already. So we have 0.5 kilograms per second times 68.54 minus 33.52. Cancel the kilogram. We will be left with kilojoules per second or kilowatts, which is 17.51. So to our next problem. So problem number 2. Air enters the cooling coil at 30 degrees Celsius and 60% RH at a rate of 50 cubic meter per minute. It leaves at 12 degrees Celsius dPt and 90% RH. Find the total cooling capacity in kilowatts. So we have the given at 30 degrees Celsius dPt and 60% RH. So in this problem, we need to locate these values using our chart, in which we can obtain the enthalpy, which is 65.5 kilojoules per kilogram, and the specific volume 0.875 metric cube per kilogram. Next, at 12 degrees Celsius dPt and 90% RH, we can find our enthalpy, which is 32.5 kilojoules per kilogram. Next, we'll be using the formula for getting the mass flow rate, which is the volume flow rate over specific volume, 50 meter cube per minute over 0.875 meter cube per kilogram. Kasi lahat na meter cube, we have left with 57.14 kilograms per minute. So we need to convert it to seconds. So divided by 60 seconds, we have 0.952 kilograms per second. Next, the QT, which is using MA times the H1 minus H2. So plug in the values, we have 0.952 kilograms per second times 65.5 minus 32.5 kilojoules per kilogram. As a kilogram, we have left with kilojoules per second or kilowatts. Then we have the value of 31.42 kilowatts. That is all.